How to improve your attitude and personality as a high-value man. Have you ever wondered what it takes to be seen as a high-value man? Someone who stands out in a crowd not just for what they do, but for who they are. It's not just about external success, but something deeper, something more profound. Imagine possessing qualities that naturally draw respect, admiration, and influence. What are these qualities, you ask? Let's unveil these secrets, one step at a time. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. Going back to the video. 1. Cultivate self-confidence. Self-confidence is not just a feeling. It's a fundamental pillar of a high-value personality. It starts with recognizing your self-worth. Reflect on your achievements and strengths. Remind yourself daily of your capabilities through positive affirmations. But it's not all about internal dialogues. Actively seek out and embrace new challenges. Stepping outside your comfort zone and facing new situations head-on builds confidence. It's also about how you present yourself to the world. Practice good posture, dress well, and take care of your appearance. These actions reinforce self-confidence. Remember, confident people are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. They learn from their failures, using them as stepping stones to success. Building self-confidence is a journey of acknowledging your worth, embracing life's challenges, and presenting your best self to the world. 2. Develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EI, is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of others. It starts with self-awareness, knowing what you're feeling and why. This awareness helps you control your emotional responses, making you more resilient in stressful situations. Next is empathy, the ability to understand and share the feelings of others. This doesn't just mean sympathizing. It's about truly putting yourself in another's shoes and connecting on a deeper level. A high-value man uses this skill to build stronger, more meaningful relationships. Then there's the skill of regulating emotions. It's not about suppressing feelings, but managing them effectively. This includes handling anger, frustration, and disappointment in a way that's productive and not destructive. Developing EI enhances your social interactions, decision-making ability, and conflict resolution skills, making you a more well-rounded and respected individual. 3. Enhance communication skills. Effective communication is more than just exchanging information. It's about understanding the underlying emotions and intentions. A high-value man knows the power of active listening. This means not just hearing the words, but truly understanding the message and emotion behind them. It's about giving the speaker your undivided attention and responding thoughtfully. Your ability to express your thoughts and feelings clearly and respectfully is equally important. This involves choosing your words wisely, being aware of your tone, and understanding how your message might be received. Nonverbal communication also plays a crucial role. Your body language, eye contact, and facial expressions often speak louder than words. They should align with your verbal message to avoid confusion. By enhancing these communication skills, you become more effective in your personal and professional interactions, fostering better relationships and understanding. 4. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is a key attribute of a high-value man. It starts with setting clear, realistic goals. These goals provide direction and a sense of purpose. To achieve them, you must prioritize tasks and manage your time effectively. This involves planning, setting deadlines, and avoiding procrastination. Self-discipline also means having the willpower to resist short-term temptations in favor of long-term success. This could mean choosing to work on a project instead of going out with friends or saving money instead of making an impulsive purchase. It's about making decisions that align with your values and goals. Self-discipline also extends to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise and a balanced diet. This not only improves your physical health, but also your mental and emotional well-being. Remember, self-discipline is not about restricting life. It's about controlling your actions and making choices that lead to success and fulfillment. 5. Cultivate a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that skills and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. It's a fundamental aspect of a high-value personality. This mindset encourages you to embrace challenges, seeing them as opportunities to grow and learn. It shifts the focus from fearing failure to valuing progress. Embracing a growth mindset means understanding that effort is a path to mastery. When you encounter obstacles, instead of giving up, you persevere. This resilience in the face of setbacks is what separates a growth mindset from a fixed mindset. Additionally, view feedback and criticism as valuable information for improvement, not as a personal attack. Celebrate your progress and the progress of others, as this fosters a positive learning environment. By cultivating a growth mindset, you're continually evolving, learning, and improving. It's about being open to new experiences and constantly seeking ways to better yourself, both personally and professionally. 6. Nurture a sense of humor. A sense of humor is a vital component of a high-value man's personality. It's not just about making jokes. It's about viewing life with a lighter perspective and being able to laugh at oneself. This ability to find humor in daily situations makes you more approachable and relatable. It's important to strike a balance, though. Your humor should be positive and inclusive, never at the expense of others. It should uplift, not belittle. Humor can be a powerful tool in easing tense situations and forging connections. It also has health benefits, like reducing stress and improving overall well-being. However, being humorous doesn't mean you don't take life seriously. It's about adding a touch of lightness to life's challenges. A well-timed joke or a humorous observation can turn an ordinary moment into a memorable one. By nurturing a sense of humor, you enhance your interactions and bring joy not just to yourself, but to those around you. 7. Build integrity and honesty. Integrity and honesty are the backbones of a high-value man's character. Integrity means being true to your values and principles, regardless of the situation. It's about doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. This earns you respect and trust from others. Honesty is closely related. It involves being truthful in your words and actions. It's about being sincere and transparent, avoiding deception and falsehood. However, honesty should always be balanced with tact and empathy. It's not about being brutally honest in a way that hurts others, but about being truthful in a respectful and considerate manner. Additionally, owning up to your mistakes is a key part of integrity and honesty. It shows maturity and responsibility. People are more likely to forgive and respect someone who admits their errors and strives to make amends. By upholding these virtues, you establish yourself as a reliable, trustworthy individual. 8. Stay physically and mentally healthy. Physical and mental health are crucial for maintaining a high-value lifestyle. Physical health starts with regular exercise. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling strong, energetic, and capable. Exercise also has mental health benefits, like reducing stress and anxiety. A balanced diet is equally important. Nutritious food fuels your body and mind, impacting your mood and energy levels. Mental health is just as important. It involves managing stress, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness or other relaxation techniques. It also means seeking help when needed, whether it's talking to a therapist or confiding in a trusted friend. A high-value man knows that taking care of his physical and mental health is not a sign of weakness, but of strength. It's about respecting your body and mind and understanding that your overall well-being is fundamental to achieving your best in all aspects of life. The journey to becoming a high-value man is not just about changing what you do, but transforming who you are. Remember, it's a continuous journey of self-improvement and growth. Start today, and step by step, you'll see the transformation unfold, not just in how others perceive you, but in how you perceive yourself. The path to becoming a high-value man is not just a destination, but a journey of ongoing self-discovery and personal excellence. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, And watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.